This is the civil trial of the plaintiff, going by the initials J.G. versus Jerry Jones, a case years in the making, finally meeting its day before a jury of its peers. Judge Aiesha Redmond is presiding over this trial in the George L. Allen Courthouse. The doors are open, but the cameras are off. The allegations lead us back to the Tom Landry Room at AT&T Stadium, a place named after a legend, now the site of a disputed encounter. The plaintiff claims an assault. The defendant calls it fiction. The opening statements were a study in opposites. The plaintiff spoke of an abuse of power. The defense? They used one word to dismiss it all: hogwash. The plaintiff took the stand with a heavy burden. She spoke of fear, of silence, and of the 2 years it took to find her voice against the most powerful man in North Texas. Her testimony was not just about an event, it was about trauma. Then came the plaintiff's grandson. He didn't see the act, but he testified to the aftermath. He spoke of a grandmother shaking and crying, a stark contrast to the billionaire being rushed out by a security detail. The defense has a weapon, a photograph taken minutes later after the alleged event. It shows the plaintiff and the defendant smiling. To the defense, it is a digital timestamp of a lie. To the plaintiff, it is a mask. Expert witnesses call it the Fawn response. In the presence of a predator or a giant, the mind chooses to appease to survive. A smile is not always a sign of joy. Sometimes it is a sign of survival. 4 primary voices define the week: the plaintiff, her grandson, a forensic analyst, and a clinical psychologist. Each brought a piece of the puzzle. Each faced a wall of fierce cross-examination. In this court case, beyond a reasonable doubt is not the standard. This is a civil matter. The scale only needs to tip to 51%. Is it more likely than not that this occurred? That is the only question the jury must answer. As the plaintiff rests, the defense will ask the judge to end it now, a directed verdict, but the law is clear. If any reasonable person could believe the plaintiff, the trial must continue. 5 days, dozens of exhibits. The first major milestone of this trial has been reached. The plaintiff rests. The foundation of her case is laid. Now, the momentum must shift. Let's listen to the words that define the week. The defense claims it is about a paycheck. The plaintiff claims it's about dignity. Between these 2 words lies the verdict. The court has been strict. No Dak Prescott, no team distractions. This is not about the Dallas Cowboys' performance on the field. This is about the conduct of the man who owns the field. 12 witnesses, 48 exhibits, 5 days of grueling testimony. The first half is over. The plaintiff has rested. Now the defense begins. Next week is prime time, showtime. The silence ends for the defense. Jerry Jones will take the stand. He will look the jury in the eye and attempt to dismantle the case built against him. It will be the pivotal moment of the trial. Stephen Jones did not become part owner of the Dallas Cowboys coincidentally during the pendency of this case. It's serious. Now the trial has started. The league is watching. The world is watching. This case sets a precedent. Can an owner be held accountable for what allegedly happened behind the closed doors of a private suite? The answer is coming. Stay tuned for more.